Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Didn't start this day or this video when I first left. Sorry, but I am a couple hours into the trip. I think a little under 7 hours left, but it's gonna be a 2-day trip. Probably. That's what I'm kind of shooting for. Made one stop to go to the bathroom and get something to drink. Now I made a stop at a rest stop to just relax. It is, I don't know exactly where I'm at, but I'm about 3 hours. I left about 7:30 this morning, so about 3 hours into the trip. So far it's nice, nice weather, good roads. Yeah, it says according to Google Maps, and we all know that Google Maps is they don't put in for bathroom breaks and gas and all that stuff. Probably about 5:30 this evening. But I'm probably going to stop sooner than that because it's Wednesday and don't want to push it too hard. So just see how things go. So on the road again. Catch you in a second. What's up, everybody? I know that I said I'd record throughout the day, but yeah, didn't happen because needless to say, I'm in Nevada, Missouri. Still coughing. It's like a dry cough, like ugh. Made it down here about 6:30, so I was gonna park at the Walmart, but then I saw there was a truck stop, swung around, parked in the front of it on the side, took a shower. As you can see, got done showering, saw another guy with a jacked up van that he sleeps in and goes hunting, and then started talking to another guy who had a diesel pickup, and just got done watching the new episode of the Chrome Project. Good. Got here a day early, so I could have left tomorrow and been down here, but it is what it is. It gives me time to be adequate since I'm going to be here for the next 11 weeks. Hopefully full 18 if the government ever decides to open back up. But no politics on this channel. Been fighting this dang cold. A lot of it's been coughing and mucus and on, just dry cough, and then. But yeah, end up getting down here about 6:30, 12-hour day. Driving. I didn't even think about filming because I just drove, stopped. I think I filled up twice technically, but I topped off. I put like $2 in this morning. But I think I filled up twice. So probably have to fill up Friday or Saturday. I don't know. We'll see. Probably gonna go tomorrow and get in at the RV park because I'm not paying $750 a month to stay in a single apartment when I can do like half that and stay in the van. So yeah, that's that. Then Friday I'll probably go into the Missouri Institute or the Missouri welding place and give them some information and stuff, but that I didn't. And who knows? I have no idea. And that's the best part about this life, is you don't know what's gonna happen. You could sit here and say, well, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, and this, and this. No, you don't know what you're gonna do. My voice probably sounds raspy as can be because I've been coughing and hacking up and all day long. Just, oh my God. Last night it was horrible. But yeah, I'm tired, and I think I'm gonna get the bed set up and I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm tired. My throat hurts. Yeah, everything hurts. So, see you tomorrow morning, which is gonna be like a millisecond for you guys, but see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I gotta get better at doing stuff, my morning routine, filming that, like, but I just don't do it. It's my, I guess when it's my time, getting coffee and waking up and all that. But it is, I want to say a little after 7 a.m. I've been up since 5:30, had coffee, came into Walmart here to get water to fill up my jug, and come to find out they are the second Walmart that I've been to that does not have a fill station. But the grocery store down the street, they say, does. I just grabbed 4 gallons of water, 4 jugs of water to fill them. Doing that, so I'm probably gonna go to the RV campground and get put in there because I just don't want to bounce around town. It's a small little town, so I'm not going to do that. If it was a big town like, I don't know, a big town, like Phoenix or Tucson or something like that, or and yeah, different story. But this is one of them small towns I like. So just gonna chill here for a little while till probably go check that place out, and I don't know. Guess this is gonna be, they say home is where you park it. It's gonna be home for the next, as of right now, 11 weeks. I'm hoping, I knock on wood, that I can get the full 18 weeks and get the master pipe fitting and all the master welder and all that stuff, or whatever the 18-week course is. So that's that for now. What's up, everybody? Well, as you can see, made it to the campgrounds. Got here probably an hour or two ago. Love it already. It's kind of got that old Western type, general store type thing. I love it. Even got an old cowboy horse. I can't remember the name of it, but so I get to feed them at lunch today. But yeah, I'm here. Already set up. Got my little set up with electric and all that. Yeah, I'm just taking the day and just unwinding. So I'm literally 5 minutes from the school. Literally down that way. So yeah, probably spend the next 24 hours just getting better, so that way come Monday, I'm not hacking up along and sounding like I'm dying. So, just sat and swept out the van. She was a little dirty, but other than that, she's good. She runs good. Surprisingly, didn't burn any oil on the trip down here. Got water, got Mucinex. I should have got more sleeping drugs, but it is what it is. So, you know, but that's it for now. I'm just gonna relax and enjoy. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Figured I'd put a wrap up on this video, and you know, it's Sunday. Tomorrow I start school orientation, so I'm gonna try and do video, you know, make videos, do shorts, all that. But you know, at the same time, it's school. I'm trying to get, you know, an education and all that stuff. But yeah, I'll do that. Just been relaxing here, trying to get rid of the cough. It's getting better. A lot of it's just phlegm right now. So yeah, went and got lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it, my one annual meal. So yeah, really not doing much. I mean, there's not much to do around town. It's kind of a small town, you know what I mean? So, I mean, there's probably stuff to do. I don't know. I'm more concerned with school. So, but anyway, yeah, I will make videos and posts and all that as I can. And if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and all that stuff. I know this video is kind of scatterbrained, you know. The last few videos have been a little, you know, but sorry. I you know, yeah, but that's it. You know, love life, live life, enjoy life. To my son, I love you. I'll hopefully be there in February. Till next time, stay squatchy, stay weird, and enjoy life.